Hello students, welcome back to today's updates on current affairs. Let us start with today's updates. Before that, let me just remind you, we are from Excel Academy and we are into coaching CS aspirants for CS exams, be it CACET executive or the other exams, and the academy is promoted by CS Alok, and in our academy English is taught by Abel sir, accountancy and other related papers are taught by Vishwas sir, and I teach economics, business environment and current affairs. You should be already aware that we have uploaded our free video classes on our website. The link for that is available in the description. You can click and register yourselves for the free video classes and start preparing yourself for the upcoming CSEET exams. We also have an app and the link for the same is available in the description, and you can download it from Google Play and make the best use of all the content that we are uploading for the CSEET exams. Right, let us start with the first update. The first update says that second installment of rupees 500 to women Jan Dhan account holders accounts from Monday, says the finance minister. Now we all have discussed the finance minister of India is Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, and what is this Jan Dhan account all about? See, for a country to prosper, the transfer of money that happens from the government should reach the concerned or the beneficiary. There should be no corruption in between, and it should not hamper the public transfers. That's very, very important. For that to happen, every citizen in the country should have a bank account. So this whole process of routing all the financial transactions through a bank account is called financial inclusion. So in the year 2014, Government of India executed this whole program called the Jan Dhan Yojana, where the socially backward, economically weak section of people were allowed to open bank accounts for free in the banks across the country. And as a result of which, according to the 2018 December data, that is almost 2 years old data, there were around 33.6 crore accounts which were opened. There would definitely be a lot of addition that would have happened to it. It means that a huge number of bank accounts were opened. Now during this lock time, when people are facing a lot of difficulties with respect to their income and other things, government is giving 500 rupees per month to the women Jan Dhan holders. The first installment has already been credited and the second one will happen tomorrow, that is Monday. So that's what the finance minister has told. So you should remember everything about the Jan Dhan scheme, which is very important. Right, let's go to the second news bit. It comes from Hathway Berkshire or Berkshire Hathaway. Now this company has told that they will be incurring loss because of COVID. This is very common. We have been listening to this for the past 10-12 days now. All companies, irrespective of their size and shape and domain and sector and all that, everybody are facing this sort of a crisis. So Berkshire Hathaway is not an exception. Now what is important for us to know here is about this man here in the picture. His name is Warren Buffett. Although the spelling is Buffett, it is pronounced as Buffett, Warren Buffett. So he is one of the richest men living on the planet. He may be in the first 5, maximum first 10 top richest persons in the world. Now what is his company all about? His company is into investments. So where has he invested his company? Through Berkshire Hathaway, they have invested in Apple Inc. We have already discussed about Apple. Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple. It is one of the most innovative companies in the world. They are into manufacturing of mobile phones, iPads and a lot of other electronic gadgets. They have also invested in Bank of America. They have invested in Coca-Cola. So all these top companies are where you find the investments of Berkshire Hathaway. Now, if you are interested, you can read more about this person, Warren Buffett. He is one of the richest through investments, and he gives tips for every single person who is interested to know how to earn and how to save. Now, beyond all these things, there is another important thing that we have to know about Warren Buffett. Bill Gates of Microsoft and Warren Buffett started something called the Giving Pledge. Please note this, it is called the Giving Pledge. Now what is this Giving Pledge? Here the richest people in the world pledge to give minimum of 50% of their revenue or earning or assets when they are alive or when they are dead, and this money will be utilized for some good activities, research, science, technology, helping the poor and all these things. So it was started by Warren Buffett and Gates. Now there are a lot of people who have pledged their property or their assets and money and all that. In India, if you see, there is Rohini Nilekani and Nandan Nilekani who come from Infosys. They have pledged their property. Dr. C.R. Shetty and Dr. B.R. Shetty, they have pledged their money, and we also have Azim Premji, who has decided to give away most of his assets towards this. Now, the best thing that you can do is you can log on to www.givingpledge.org, and on the homepage itself you will find the photos of all those people across the world who have decided to give away their assets and money and all those things. If you click on their photos, you will come to know what is it exactly they want to do. So by doing this, you will be coming to know the people who have pledged their money, and you will also come to know about so many businesses and so many business personalities, because knowing about business personalities is one of the sections in the current affairs syllabus for CSEET. So this is one way of knowing so many business personalities across the world. So this is about Warren Buffett for us. Right, let's go ahead. Social media use surges. I have already discussed the meaning of this word with you all. Surge means increase. So there is an increase in the average time spent on Facebook and Instagram, and it is up over 60% is what it's told. Here if you see, the average time spent is 66.9 minutes. You and I are almost at home for 2 months now, and we have served so much of Facebook and Instagram, and the result is seen here. The report comes out and the average time is almost 70 minutes. So people are spending a lot of time on Instagram, Facebook and other social media sites. Okay, let's go ahead. Two-wheeler firms post zero sales. Now what is the zero sales all about? So in the month of April, companies like TVS, Honda and Eicher, Royal Enfield, none of them have sold even a single unit, is what this news bit is telling. So that means that there is total lockdown of the two-wheeler industry. This news bit also tells that there is small export provision that is given, and TVS is trying to encash on that. Otherwise, they have not sold anything in the month of April. So not a great news at all for us, right? Kim reappears in public, ends absence amid health rumors. I told you all, Kim is the dictator coming from North Korea. Kim Jong-un is his full name. So he was not to be seen for a very long time, and there were rumors that he was dead, and there were rumors that his sister will take over the administration of North Korea. So a lot of news was being circulated, and if that had really happened, there would have been a major change in the south, in the Korean region, both politically and otherwise. Now what has happened is Kim has reappeared and he seems to be stable. So there is an end to all the rumors. So this is the update for today. If you want clarification on any of the news bits that we discussed, you can leave it in the comment section. We shall get back to you with the right answers. And like I told you, our free video classes are already available. You can click on the link that is there in the description, register yourself for the free video classes and start preparing yourself for the upcoming CSEET exams. Thank you so much.